Two persons succumbed to injuries in fatal crashes in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. As the Road Safety Unit within Jamaica continue to monitor the road traffic accidents that have been plaguing the country so far this year, so too is the road traffic fatalities increasing. In the first incident, a 19-year-old individual, Ashani McMorris, was hit by a truck on the porous main road in the parish. McMorris was pinned against the wall of a house and later succumbed to his injuries in hospital. In the other incident, this time on the Spiritual Hill Main Road, there was a two-vehicle collision at around 10:40 a.m., resulting in the death of a 23-year-old individual who goes by the name Tajani Mir of Pearl Savannah, St. Elizabeth. Mir reportedly lost control of his vehicle and collided with a truck. He died while being transported to the Mandeville Regional Hospital for treatment. In another incident in Manchester, the driver of a speeding minibus was overtaking a line of traffic along the Trinity Main Road when he hit a male pedestrian. The male pedestrian has been hospitalized. There has been 36 road fatalities from 27 crashes in Manchester since the start of the year. For the corresponding period to 2020, there has been 20 fatalities from 17 crashes. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Somebody dead.
Oh God, man.
Somebody. He did. Fuck. Why did he die?
What's up? Somebody run is up.